Hi guys, it's me Alizah. Welcome to my channel, Singy AU TV. So today I am going to make these butter popcorns. So first, let's open these up. I'll open them up with the scissors. So now, I have opened this up. Now we're gonna fold it. Now we're gonna open it up like this. So now we're gonna put it in the microwave. Put it in, and then once we're done, and then we're gonna put this on. Guys, if you can hear the popcorns popping, and I'm so excited to eat them. I'm so excited. Look at these popcorns, guys. These are wonderful. Guys, now I got this and I'm going to put this in the bowl. Now, we have this. Oh, some popcorn. Alright, now I'm going to taste these popcorns. Tasty. These are not tasty. So guys, subscribe, like, share, subscribe, and that's it for today. Bye!